Welcome to SkyDRM feature training. Today I will show you the SkyDRM folder feature. SkyDRM folder is also called RPM folder on Windows. The protected file in the SkyDRM folder is displayed without the NXL extension in the Windows Explorer and is just like a normal file to the native application for the file extension. When a SkyDRM user double-clicks on it, the native application will be opened. The native application needs to be configured as Trusted Application in Windows. How is it used? The SkyDRM user chooses a folder to set as the SkyDRM folder in Preferences folder on RMD. Windows admin updates the register.xml to add Trusted Application. Windows admin installs an RMX. The applications configured in the RMX will be trusted applications. For example, the Word, Excel, PowerPoint will be trusted applications in Windows after the Office RMX is installed in the Windows. Let's see a demo for this feature. Here I log into RMD as Ted. After I log in, I go to the preference, then choose the folder and configure the demo RPM folder as the RPM folder. Then I go to the File Explorer. I can see demo RPM folder is marked as SkyDRM folder. Let's go into that folder. Currently, there is no file in it. I already have the Word document as protected. I can copy this file into the SkyDRM folder. You can see inside the SkyDRM folder, the Protect NXL file is just displayed as normal Word documentation. I can double-click this file to open the document in Word. Thank you for watching the video for SkyDRM feature. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at the following email. Have a nice day.